Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World, and today we got some freebies for you by my man SzaZs. Now, this watch face is free for the taking forever, so there's no rush, but when you're ready, go ahead and download this one because I think it's an awesome watch face, right? It's called the Sail. Now, you've seen this before on the channel. It's an awesome looking watch face, and again, it's free for the taking. Now, in always on mode, you're gonna get a nice look. The watch face itself is totally awesome. I like the animation of this, but I also like the fact that you get many different shortcuts. You get a moon phase, you can go into your alarm, steps, send messages, phone calls, heart rate, all your step status info is all in one place, and the digital time looks awesome. To not download this watch face, I don't know guys, I think it's worthy of a download. Alright, we got one more by this developer, and this one here is also awesome. Stay tuned. Watch face number two is also nice. It's called the Gear. Now I like this one, very different. It's an animated watch face. Even in the always on mode, you're gonna get the same look as you did with number one. But once the watch face is on, you're gonna get battery info, your heart rate, you're gonna get all your step status info that are important to most people, and you're gonna get a moon phase. But I really like the animation that's going on in the background. And you can customize and change the color with this one for the background. Just double tap here and you can change the look of the theme color of this watch face. I thought it was super slick. Alright, you all, go ahead, download. These are free now, and I'm thinking it's worthy of a download. Alright, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, share this video with other people. We need the views, and if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.